Ano ba yung ganun? Hindi ko na manage minsan yung time ko kasi nga, syempre minsan napakadami natin ginagawa. Hindi naman sa dami, kundi parang gusto din natin magtrabaho din eh. Diba? Kasi, I mean, we're passionate about the job we do. So I'm curious, Ian, kasi as a family person, paano mo siya na manage? Yung ganun na balance. Tapos, may alam kasi ako na yung iba, yun, sabi mo kanina, hindi nila naiintindihan na yung, paano ba nagkakaroon ng pera sa bahay? May laptop ka lang, tapos nasa bahay ng trabaho pa. Kaya trabaho ba talaga yan? O scam yan? Alam mo yung gano'n. So, paano mo yun? Paano mo na babalance yun? And ano yung advice mo sa listeners natin na may ganung setup?
Okay. I think it's easier for me and my family kasi pre-COVID days, nasa bahay lang kasi talaga kami. So my husband also helps me out with my projects. He used to work at a government agency, pero parang we live far away from that office. So parang hindi siya worthwhile na to keep going there for a kasi alam mo yung mga contract positions lang. So it wasn't worth it anymore. So I told him, help me na lang with my projects. Make my life easier by helping me. And then I'm pretty sure we can do it. So pre-COVID, yung anak ko, I think the only way around it is just to schedule everything in. I'm a big believer of scheduling everything in. So parang alam ko na kung anong gagawin ko. Like in the morning, I have to wake up. So from this time to that time, I'm gonna prep my son for school. And it's not as hard as before. Kasi magta-13 na nga siya, so he can take care of himself. He's a fully functional person already on his own. Pero syempre, as a mother, you still have to be present again. Never ends. So alam ko na by that time, that gap or whatever, I have to take care of him. And then family time with the three of us is always on a Sunday. So we always make it a point to not leave the house. Actually, in this case, we didn't leave the house yesterday kasi yun yung family day namin. Kasi I had this today. So I have to reschedule our family
Thank you.
No problem. So, just schedule everything out. I'm a very big believer of calendar blocking. Noon, akala ko parang, yung OA naman yan, that's not gonna work, you're not gonna be able to follow through with your calendar. But it's really, really super effective, especially when it's synced to your phone. Kasi nagno-notify siya siya na, wake up, drink coffee, skincare, lunch, nap. Parang, beauty rest. Parang alam ko yung gagawin ko. And then, that makes it easier for you to find the time na, okay, kailan na kami magpa-family time. I mean, it's different for when, I understand it's going to be different for moms who have younger kids because you can't control younger kids. You can't control their schedule, especially COVID, nasa bahay lang lahat, etc. I think it's important for you and your partner, if you have one, to just sit and talk about, okay, what can we do? Para ding brainstorming business meeting yan. Kasi family is still a structure, diba? So parang
smallest unit of society.
Diba? So parang, okay, how can we make this work? For example, for me and my husband, I am more of I'm going to work, I can do this, I can do everything, just wag niyo akong istorbohin and I can make this work. So he's more of okay, I'll take care of everything, house, hot meals, watching over my son, making sure that everything is in order, we have enough groceries, etc., etc. So in a way, it's more of a role reversal, but I don't believe in roles anymore. 2021. So parang teamwork lang talaga. He makes my life easier, and I make sure that the household runs. Parang there's fuel in the tank. Parang ganun. I think that's number one, schedule in everything. Number two, talk to your partner. If you don't have a partner, talk to yourself. Have a business meeting with yourself. Diba na, okay, how can we make this work? Budget-wise, okay, do I need these things? Do I need to go shopping? No, you don't. Probably most of the time that's going to be the answer, that no, you don't need to go to shopping. So yeah, just make time to communicate and calendar blocking.
Yeah. Catch the full episodes of Article and Design podcast. Watch for free only on Article and Design YouTube channel or listen for free on Spotify. Search for Article and Design. If you want to join the discussion, be a member of our community. Search for Article and Design on Facebook groups. See ya!